Yeah, g'day YouTube, Bree here. Some of you have realised that I've got the nose piercing. I've got to flush it with saline, morning and night. And the easiest way I've done it is stick a tissue up underneath it so it doesn't drip everywhere, just like that, so I can still talk. And then straight to the side of it, oh, salt water. It's not the best thing to show, but some people are probably wondering how to do it. They don't really show you on how to do it, they just tell you. But yeah, saline, salty water. It's a pressure can, so it's like a can of deodorant pretty much. You're just spraying it up to make it nice and sterile. But yeah, that's what I've been doing morning and night, and I'm happy with it. It's only like 3 days old, but it's getting there. Yeah. And then I got my nipple as well, but you're not seeing that one.